This video covers questions 53 through 60 and deals with scientific notation. So these first three questions are wanting you to change from standard notation to scientific notation. So we need one number in front of the decimal that's not a zero. So we're going to have to move this 1, 2, 3, 4 times. This is going to be 8.6 times 10 to the fourth power. We have to decide if it's negative or positive. Since we're going from a small decimal, it needs to be negative. If it was a large number, it would be the positive. We're moving the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So we say times 10 to the 6, and since you're going from that smaller decimal to a larger number, it's going to be the negative 6. Technically, we don't see a decimal here. It's right here at the end. We're going to have to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Oops. Times 10 to the 7. It's positive because we had started off with a larger number. And now we're going to do the opposite. We're going to switch it to standard notation. So we take the 5.89 and we have to move it 3 times. So we're going to move 1, 2, 3. Fill in zeros. So this is 0.00589. Here we're going to have to move it 7 times. And since it's already at the end, we're just going to write 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 30 million. 1.6, move it 6 times, that's 1. And for the remaining 5 times, we're going to need zeros. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. So we're going to point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, 1, 6. Here, in order to simplify this, we're going to divide these two numbers. So 7.65 divided by 5.1 is 1.5. And then we're going to use our exponent rule of the quotient rule, where we just subtract the exponents if they have the same base. Since these both have a base of 10, then you take 9 minus 3, which is 6. So this is our simplified scientific notation there. Here we're going to do very similar to the last question, where we multiply our numbers out front. It's 3.23 times 2 is 6.46 times 10, and we're going to add the exponent of our 10, so that's 10 to the 10th power.